Guys, cheers! Hey, it's Ben and Carina on your display, and nice that you're watching again to a new episode of Ben and Carina on the road. Currently we are in India. Enjoy the ride. Hey. Welcome to India! Our first day here, and I like it so far. The only thing is we have a little problem because both of our bank cards are not working. So that's the first challenge. But of course we will manage this. So let's go to a bank. In our search for cash we were walking a lot. It's bloody hot, but luckily we found a very nice guy. We met a very nice guy. Mr. What's your name?
Henry.
Henry.
Yes.
And he's dropping us off to the nearest bank where we can probably take some cash. So we can go further with our journey here in Goa, India.
Fuck yeah!
So that was good food, which is good for the mood, especially hers. And now we are on our next mission. Let's find
SIM card.
SIM cards, because we have no internet, and that's yeah, you cannot live without, right? Daar hebben we Emiel. So we walked into a scooter shop to ask if we can rent a scooter there, but they only sell scooters. But the woman was kind enough to call her husband if he can bring us to the nearest scooter rental companies. Cheers! But for sure, if I'm used to the traffic, I'm gonna rent something like that. Royal Enfield Bullet. Beautiful bike. Beautiful. Do you need a pen? No? No. We don't need a pen.
Don't look at him, because the more you're gonna look, the more it will. For how dear in India.
Scooter is coming.
I was here.
We're only not.
I came back.
We're still busy with the price, but we are here on Kolva Beach in Goa. Beautiful place.
Okay, slowly drive, okay? Anand salat chodo, क्योंकि curry ferry into there.
So, first day in India. We managed cash, we managed a scooter, but a third thing, managing a SIM card, that was too hard. So, in our search for a SIM card, we found a really nice restaurant here in Goa. It's called Naftara Restaurant. There we have the manager. Really, if you are in Goa, you should visit this place because the food is amazing, the experience is amazing. You're actually eating here outside on the street. It's perfect, nice crew. Just go to Goa and visit Naftara restaurant. Day 3 here in India. We're going to our next accommodation. Carina is going with the taxi and I'll take the scooter. Let's see if I can catch up in this traffic. Fuck, I already forgot I have to drive on the left side. You should smell this. Oh.
Hey, what is it?
First decent coffee in 3 days. As you might know, we are still looking for a SIM card. So that's the
Task for today.
task for today, the only urgent task for today. So we are going to the Airtel office. That's the best provider here in India. That's what a friend told us at least. And after that, we're gonna find ourselves a fish restaurant, right? Oh, yeah, Pierre, that's hot. Holy shit.
And now, how am I gonna sit?
Motherfuckers, we're in India. Airtel headquarters has to be here somewhere.
Do you know where's the Airtel? Airtel. Here? Okay.
Thank you.
Let's go.
So again, we were at the Airtel and they said we need like a visa and address and 2 local numbers to get a fucking SIM card. It's so difficult to get a SIM card. So now we are just asking someone on the street if he can help us, and we will pay him some money and see if this will work. Insane. So we are driving behind someone who leads us to a place where we can possibly get a SIM card.
Let's hope.
The people are kind here. The people are kind, yes.
Sure. Okay. Another place. I'm going mental already. This is the last place I'm going. If not, we're gonna just pay someone to get for a SIM card because this is not for my nerves.
And then think about it. In Europe, you just walk into the supermarket and you buy any SIM card you want. But why it's so difficult here? We found Vodafone finally, but we were looking for the Vodafone we know. It's a bit different, still red.
992371 9877.
People here at Vodafone are super helpful, luckily. But they have to make a picture as an identification. And with me it worked very well, but with Carina it's not working that good. So meanwhile I'll have to search for some water because it's bloody hot. but it looks like we're getting there. The best from Goa, right? The best from Goa. Best from Goa here. Yes, thank you. And one bottle with water, please. Yeah, cool. Please. Got my first coconut in India. Lekker man. Jezus. Moeten ze in Rotterdam ook doen. We managed it. We managed it. We got one SIM card. Yeah. Thanks to the ladies of Vodafone here in Goa.
Margao.
So if you're here, we'll put the link below where you have to go.
How much together? Wait, because I want him to open for me.
Go here to the right.
Yes.
We are here at Majestic Palms, and that's where Carina used to live for 6 months.
Yeah.
6 months was living here.
Yes, you know.
She's still allowed to go in. So what we got here?
Kingfish. Curry kingfish.
Homemade.
I reviewed somewhere in the end, but I don't remember the number anymore.
You don't remember the number?
Yeah, but schat, it was so long time
So?
ago, you know?
I will, till I die, I will remember which apartment I
No.
lived in
I
Rotterdam.
live in too many places, you know?
But then still.
No. I think somewhere here.
Yeah.
Hi. So that's the place where I spent almost 1 year.
And we didn't even get a discount. Temperature is so low. It's warm. We should film now to the front.
No, we're supposed to go straight.
You have to film to the front. You have to film to the front.
Yeah, wait, I have my phone in headset. I cannot. What do I have to film? Do you want me to open? Do you want to say something to camera?
I see the AC is working there because it's dripping.
Yeah.
And no, actually I have not that much news to
No, we made a reservation in one of the best fish restaurants.
We made a reservation in Martin's Corner. People say it's the best fish restaurant
And
here in the area.
And what's the funny part? I just remember that I went there once when I used to live
Turn
here.
the cam if you're talking.
No, but I don't know how to turn the camera.
And then you on our way to the best seafood restaurant here in the area, is what they say. We are going to Martin's Corner.
Hell yeah! 2 minutes or something, 1 hour, 2 hours, you know.
What about your dress?
Geisha dress, that's my geisha dress.
I am here with the cheesecake expert, and if it's the same as the rest I'm afraid, but let's try.
Not bad. But too much sugar, too sweet.
Okay, Scott.
No, big no.
What? What's your honest review about Martin's Corner?
No. Horrible, horrible food.
I mean, if the fries is like the best thing on the menu, which you get as a first, so we order soup, 2 like mains, I think, with fries, and we get first the fries, then the mains, and as last the soup. Whatever.
I have to say the food quality, it was horrible. I feel nauseous already. Never
No,
again.
Martin.
No,
Not
Martin.
good.
No, Martin.
Martin, sorry.
But no. I'm afraid of the dog. So this is our friend.
Hi, I'm
Hamish.
Hamish from Goa. I have a shop, small shop, and Carina come to shop in my shop. So and subscribe my friend. Okay.
And if you need some nice clothing and you're around here in the area, then you know where to go.
Here.
It's here. Hamish Jadav. We'll put a link in the video. We'll put a link in the video. JJ Kill. Gonna have dinner tomorrow there, for sure better. We promised the housekeepers a beer, so we have to keep our word. Have the beers.
You gonna have a party here, guys?
Yeah.
Huh? You're gonna have a party here?
You have also drinking there.
Back in our villa.
Oh, yeah, there's my brother. Here.
And that was it for this episode. If you liked the video, please like and comment, and we'll hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Godverdomme, zo'n grote trein met per turbo's erin, jongen. Hoster, nog wordt dat nog eens fluiten, maas nog even.